Master automated data extraction using Requests, Beautiful Soup, and Scrapy. Requests handles hypertext transfer protocol operations efficiently. Beautiful Soup excels in parsing hypertext markup language, and Scrapy is ideal for large-scale scraping projects. These tools, when combined, offer a robust solution for any web scraping challenge, ensuring you can extract data effectively and efficiently. This course covers HTTP fundamentals and advanced web scraping frameworks. We'll explore requests for HTTP operations, Beautiful Soup for HTML parsing, and Scrapy for large-scale projects. Prerequisites include solid Python skills, understanding of HTTP, HTML, and CSS selectors, and familiarity with async programming. Web scraping is crucial for data-driven decisions, enabling businesses to extract competitive pricing and market trends. It automates data collection, saving time and reducing errors. Researchers can gather datasets for machine learning and monitor social media sentiment. Additionally, it integrates systems by extracting data from platforms lacking modern application programming interface access, ensuring seamless data flow. The three-tier architecture in web scraping consists of Requests, Beautiful Soup, and Scrapy. Requests serves as the foundation, managing hypertext transfer protocol communication. Beautiful Soup acts as the parsing layer, converting hypertext markup language into Python objects. Scrapy is the framework layer, offering scheduling, pipeline processing, and distributed crawling for scalable production scraping. The request library simplifies HTTP communication with an intuitive API. It supports GET and POST requests, handling sessions, cookies, and SSL verification seamlessly. Unlike URLlib, it enhances developer experience with features like persistent sessions, connection pooling, and automatic content decoding. Key functionalities include timeout handling and proxy support, making it ideal for robust web interactions. Utilize session objects in requests to persist cookies and headers, enhancing performance and maintaining authentication. Implement robust error handling with timeouts and status code validation for resilient scrapers. Customize headers to mimic browser behavior, preventing blocks and ensuring proper content negotiation. These advanced patterns optimize web scraping efficiency and reliability. Beautiful Soup efficiently parses HTML and XML, converting them into a navigable tree of Python objects. It excels in handling malformed markup, making it perfect for real-world web pages. Supporting parsers like LXML, it balances speed and robustness. Use Beautiful Soup to find elements by tag, class, or ID, and navigate the document tree seamlessly. CSS selectors offer a concise syntax for targeting elements, ideal for maintainability. Use them for class, complex, attribute, and pseudo selectors. In contrast, find methods provide flexibility for complex conditions and custom filters, especially useful for attributes or text content. Choose CSS selectors for simplicity, and find methods for nuanced searches. Extracting clean data from raw HTML is crucial. Use .text or get.text to strip tags and access attributes like tag href. Navigate with .parent or .children, and clean data using string methods or regex. For example, extract product names and prices, convert prices to float, and retrieve links and image URLs efficiently. Scrapy is an enterprise-grade framework for web scraping, offering robust infrastructure for crawling, data processing, and error handling. Its asynchronous, event-driven architecture, powered by Twisted, allows efficient handling of thousands of concurrent requests, making it ideal for building comprehensive scraping systems rather than simple scrapers. Scrapy's architecture comprises several key components. Spiders define navigation and data extraction logic for specific sites. Pipelines process extracted data through validation and storage. Middleware intercepts requests for logging and authentication. The scheduler manages request queues and priorities, while the downloader handles asynchronous HTTP communication, ensuring efficient and robust web scraping operations. Creating your first Scrapy spider involves defining a class that specifies starting URLs and parsing logic. Use CSS selectors to extract data like product names and prices. Implement pagination by following links to subsequent pages. Customize behavior with settings like download delay and concurrent requests per domain to optimize scraping efficiency. Scrapy's response objects offer robust selector methods, combining CSS and XPath for efficient parsing. Use .css and .xpath for queries, .get for single results, and .getAll for lists. Chaining selectors enhances data extraction, while .re and .attrib provide regex and attribute access. Test selectors interactively with Scrapy Shell for precision. Define entry points using start URLs or start requests for dynamic initialization. Use response.follow to resolve URLs and generate requests. Filter targets with link extractor to avoid duplicates. Route URLs to parsing methods with callbacks. For example, follow product links to detail pages, and category pagination using response. Follow all. Extract product details like name, description, and specs efficiently. Item pipelines process scrape data through stages like validation, cleaning, and storage. Validation pipeline checks for required fields, dropping items missing price. Cleaning pipeline normalizes data, converting price to a float. Database pipeline manages database connections, inserting items into a PostgreSQL database. Each pipeline executes an order based on priority settings. Configure item pipelines in settings.py with priority values, ensuring lower numbers execute first. Handle errors gracefully using drop item exceptions to filter invalid items and log issues for debugging. Optimize performance by employing connection pooling, batching inserts, and considering asynchronous database drivers for enhanced throughput. Middleware components are crucial for intercepting requests and responses, enabling functionalities like authentication and user agent rotation. Scrapy offers downloader middleware for modifying requests, responses, Spider middleware for processing Spider input-output, and extension middleware for adding custom features. Each type plays a distinct role in enhancing the scraping pipeline's efficiency and flexibility. Random user agent middleware rotates user agent headers to prevent detection by selecting from a pool of browser strings. Proxy middleware routes requests through various proxies to distribute load and avoid IP rate limiting. Smart Retry middleware implements custom retry logic with exponential backoff for handling transient failures, ensuring robust and efficient scraping operations. Form-based login is essential for accessing protected content. Scrapy submits forms and maintains session cookies to handle authentication. For API-based scraping, include authentication tokens in request headers, ensuring secure storage in settings or environment variables. These methods enable seamless access to data while respecting site protocols. Enable auto throttle with auto throttle. Enabled. True to dynamically adjust crawling speed, respecting server limits. Use HTTP cache. Enabled for local caching to enhance testing efficiency. For large-scale projects, implement Scrapy Redis for distributed scraping across multiple machines. For JavaScript-heavy sites, integrate Scrapy Splash or Playwright to render dynamic content effectively. Respecting robots.txt is crucial. Scrapy defaults to robots.txt, obey, true. Implement download delay to prevent server overload and potential IP bans. Always set a descriptive user agent with contact info. Review terms of service and laws like the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act to ensure compliance. Legal counsel is advisable when uncertain about scraping legality. Requests. Plus, Beautiful Soup is ideal for simple, quick tasks and learning basics, excelling in API integration and small-scale scraping. Scrapy, however, is suited for large-scale, production-level projects, offering robust error handling, data pipelines, and superior performance. Choose based on project scale and complexity. Begin by analyzing the site structure and reviewing robots.txt to plan your scraping strategy. Prototype with requests and Beautiful Soup to validate selectors. Implement error handling and logging to manage network issues. Build data pipelines for validation and storage. Test scrapers at scale, monitoring performance and error rates. Finally, deploy with scheduling and alerting for ongoing maintenance. Dynamic content often requires tools like Selenium or Playwright to render JavaScript. Anti-scraping measures can be bypassed by rotating IPs and using proxies. Inconsistent HTML is tackled with lenient parsers and fallback selectors. Authentication flows need careful token extraction. For pagination, analyze API calls. Address performance bottlenecks with concurrent requests and connection pooling. Mastering web scraping starts with understanding Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Markup Language, and cascading style sheet selectors. Begin with requests and Beautiful Soup for simple tasks, then scale to Scrapy for complex projects. Always prioritize ethical practices, respecting robots.txt and legal guidelines. Build robust systems with error handling and monitoring, and explore advanced techniques like JavaScript rendering and distributed scraping.